Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to remove WhatsApp chat shortcut from home screen on an Android device. As you can see, we have a WhatsApp chat shortcut on our home screen. To remove this shortcut, tap and hold the icon you wish to delete. A remove icon appears at the top of the screen. Drag the shortcut icon to the remove icon. As you can see, WhatsApp chat shortcut has been removed from the home screen. This is how you can remove WhatsApp chat shortcut from home screen on an Android device.